فلاسفر مارتھا نسباؤم نے کہا تھا آپ کی فریڈم ایکسپینڈ ہو. If you have more ideas, you have more freedom. You have more power. You have capability to explore more opportunities. تو میں تھوڑی سی ڈاکٹر صاحب کی بات سن رہا تھا کہ mathematics is not something a dry subject having complex formula and equation stuff like that.
I will try my level best to talk about those misconceptions. And I shall also try my best to make some clarifications about what mathematics is. First thing which I have observed, that mathematicians at the least are very open. They don't have any secrets. Because mathematicians can tell you.
And I want to say a single some word to our students, our BS first semester PhD students, that mathematics, if you are in mathematics, आप BS मैथमेटिक्स करने के लिए आए हैं तो जैसे सर ने बताया
इधर 1 मिनट सामने देना पड़ेगा फ्लैक्स में बुआ मोदी को बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी देता रहता है.